The Third Level by Jack Finney. Very short questions and answers. Who is the protagonist of The Third Level? Charlie. Where does Charlie find the third level? At Grand Central Station. What does Charlie see when he enters the third level? An old fashioned train station from the 1890s. What year does Charlie believe the third level is from? 1894. Who does Charlie consult about his experience? His psychiatrist, Sam. What is Sam's profession? Psychiatrist. What is Charlie's main hobby? Stamp collecting. What is unusual about the ticket booth in the third level? It is made of wood and old fashioned. What kind of clothing are the people in the third level wearing? Old fashioned clothing from the 1890s. What does Charlie attempt to buy in the third level? A train ticket to Galesburg, Illinois. What does the ticket clerk tell Charlie about his money? This ain't money, mister. What is the currency Charlie has when he tries to buy tickets? Old style banknotes. Who does Charlie believe he saw at the third level? His psychiatrist, Sam. What train does Charlie see in the third level? A small old fashioned steam locomotive. What is the first thing Charlie notices about the third level? The flickering open flame gas lights. What is Charlie's explanation for the third level? He believes it is a gateway to the past. What does Charlie find in the first day cover? A letter from Sam. What message does Sam's letter contain? Sam is living in 1894 in Galesburg, Illinois. How does Charlie verify he is in the past? By checking the date on the newspaper. What does Charlie do after finding the letter? He searches for the third level again. Who is Louisa? Charlie's wife. What does Louisa think about Charlie's experience at the third level? She is worried and thinks he is imagining things. What does Charlie say the third level is? A way to escape from the pressures of modern life. How does Charlie describe Grand Central Station's corridors? They seem to be growing like a tree. What does Charlie want to buy tickets for in the third level? A trip to Galesburg, Illinois. What does Charlie discover about the money he tries to use? It's old and from the 1890s. Where does Charlie search for the third level again? At Grand Central Station. What type of train does Charlie ride to Galesburg in his imagination? An old fashioned steam locomotive. What does Sam do in Galesburg, Illinois? He works in a feed and grain business. What does Charlie find in Sam's letter? Sam is living in the past and working in Galesburg. Who is the character he gives Charlie the idea of living in the past? Sam the psychiatrist. What was Charlie's first impression of the third level? He thought it was a new hidden level of Grand Central Station. What does Charlie do with the old currency? He tries to use it to buy tickets for the third level. What is the station master's reaction to Charlie's money? He refuses the money and says it's from the past. What does Charlie do after failing to board the train? He tries to find the third level again. What does Charlie learn about the third level? It is a portal to escape modern life and live in the past. How does Charlie describe the atmosphere of the third level? Peaceful and nostalgic. Why is Charlie drawn to the third level? To escape from the stress of modern life. What year does Charlie believe he can visit through the third level? 1894. What happens when Charlie tries to board the train in the third level? He is unable to get a ticket because his money is from the future. What does the third level represent in Charlie's life? A place of escape from modern pressures. What was the name of the president mentioned in the newspaper Charlie saw? President Cleveland. What kind of place is Galesburg, Illinois in the story? A small town from the past. What does Charlie discover about Sam's life in 1894? Sam is living a simple, peaceful life in Galesburg. Who encourages Charlie to keep searching for the third level? Charlie himself, out of curiosity and hope. What did Charlie hope to find by going to the third level? An escape to the peaceful world of the past. What is Charlie's emotional state by the end of the story? Hopeful and determined to find the third level again. What does Charlie think Sam's letter means? That Sam found a way to live in the past and wants Charlie to join him. How does Sam communicate with Charlie after disappearing? Through the letter in the first day cover. What is the central theme of the third level? The desire to escape the stress and confusion of modern life.